In a bustling town, where the sun always shone, lived two little friends named Max and Ben. One sunny afternoon, Max decided to visit the park, hoping to find a new friend. With a skip in his step, Max entered the park and saw a ball rolling away. "Oh, that's not good," he thought. "A lost ball can make someone sad." Max picked up the ball and started to look around for its owner. Suddenly, he saw Ben, sitting on a nearby swing, looking a bit sad. "Hey, Ben," Max called out, "I found your ball." Ben's face lit up, and he smiled. "Max, I thought I'd never see it again." From that day on, Max and Ben became inseparable friends, playing together every day. They ran, they laughed, they shared secrets and stories, making memories that would last a lifetime. One day, Max said to Ben, "Friendship is like a kite. It takes both hands to keep it flying." Ben nodded, "And it's even better when you have a friend who can help you fly it higher." From that day on, Max and Ben flew their friendship kite high, enjoying every moment they spent together. The end.